こんにちは。Welcome to Flavourful Kitchen. Today, Sheena is going to make shredded oyster mushroom and pepper stir fry. This dish is inspired by the popular classic Chinese dish called Qing Jiao Rou Si. It's usually made with shredded peppers and meat, but Sheena uses oyster mushrooms instead of meat to create a healthy and delicious vegan dish. With savory umami-rich sauce balanced perfectly with tender mushrooms and crunchy vegetables, this stir-fry dish is totally satisfying. Okay, let's get started. Cut 1 green pepper about 120 grams into thin strips. Cut the thirds of red pepper the same way. Sheena uses red pepper for color, but just green pepper is fine if you prefer. Slice 60 grams of tinned bamboo shoot into thin strips. Mince a small piece of ginger, about 1 teaspoon, and mince 1 clove of garlic. Shred 150 grams of oyster mushrooms into strips. To make the sauce, in a bowl, place 1 teaspoon of vegetable stock powder, which is just to crumble a stock cube, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of hot water, 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then mix well. Shaoxing wine is a Chinese rice wine. If you don't have it, you can use sake or dry sherry instead. But Shaoxing wine has a distinctive flavor and aroma that really adds depth of this dish, so I recommend using it if possible. In another bowl, place 1 tablespoon of Shaoxing wine, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a pinch of salt and black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of cornflour or potato starch. Then mix well. Add the shredded oyster mushrooms and coat them well in this mixture. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the grated ginger and garlic. Add the peppers and bamboo shoots and stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. You don't need to cook the vegetable all the way through yet. They will finish cooking later, and we want to keep their crunchiness. Transfer them to a plate and set aside. In the same frying pan, add another 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and fry the shredded oyster mushrooms until golden. Return the vegetables to the frying pan and mix. Add the sauce and stir fry for 1 more minute. Drizzle with a little sesame oil and sprinkle with a couple of pinches of black pepper to finish. Transfer to a serving plate and serve with steamed plain rice. できた! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. The mushrooms are tender and packed with flavor, while the peppers and the bamboo shoots add a nice crunch. It's so satisfying and comforting, and it goes perfectly with a bowl of rice. This vegan version of Qing Jiao Rou Si is definitely a winner. Thank you for watching Flavourful Kitchen. ありがとう! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね